Hello everyone, my name is Tejeshwar and some of you may know me as TJ. I talk about men's fashion and lifestyle, and today we're talking about something that every man needs to know, and that is how to dress for your body type. See, no matter how much you love fashion, but we've all had our moments where you try something new and you look in the mirror and you realize this isn't working because not every style works for every body type. So, what are different body types? Which one are you? And how to dress for your body type? We're going to talk about everything. So, let's get right into it. Starting with the first one, the rectangular body type. If your shoulders, your waist, and your hips are pretty much aligned, you are on the rectangular side. So, if you're on a rectangular side, you need to go for structured jackets, blazers, or shirts with horizontal patterns and stripes or patterns across the chest are going to help you balance things out. And for the lower part of your body, slim fit trousers are going to help you to avoid adding any unnecessary volume to your outfit. Next up is inverted triangle body type, or your gym bro, you may call him. You know who you are: broad shoulders, slim waist, basically, you're built like a superhero. Sounds great, right? But the challenge here is to draw attention away from looking heavy on your top half of your body. And this is how you're going to do it. The trick is to balance out the proportions. Slim but not skinny. Jeans and chinos are your best friend. They'll help you balance out the proportions with the width of your body. Avoid wearing overly tight tops unless you're heading to gym, maybe. Opt for shirts which fall very naturally on your torso, which draw attention away from just your shoulders but to your overall aesthetic. Next up is oval or round body shape, which basically means your waist is wider than your shoulders. The goal here is to create a streamlined look, and vertical lines are going to be a new best friend. Vertical lines help elongate your frame and slim down your appearance from your torso. You need to stick with darker colors and avoid any bulky fabrics which add any unnecessary weight. Remember, well fit but not too tight is the way to go, and tailoring is the key. Next one, if you got a trapezoid body shape, you got the most proportionate shape to work with, which means you can pull off most of the styles. But let's fine tune it. So you want to focus on enhancing your natural body shape. Go for structured jackets or blazers to build out your shoulders and add width to your upper half of the body. Stick with darker colors for your bottoms and lighter or patterned tops to bring the attention upwards. Slim fit jeans or slim fit trousers are gonna work best for you. So, there you go. Some simple yet effective ideas to dress for your body type. And remember, it's about finding what works for you and feeling comfortable and confident in what you wear. Let me know in the comments below what's your body type and what your go to outfits are. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.